Sometimes people go beyond what's needed. They help anyway. That's waza-waza. Waza-waza means go out of your way to do something or take the trouble to do it. It describes an action that wasn't necessary, but someone did it anyway. It's often used with thanks or appreciation. Waza-waza, keiki wo tsukutte kurete arigatou. You went out of your way to bake a cake. Thank you. Waza-waza, hikouki de Sapporo made kita sou desu. He even flew all the way to Sapporo just to eat ramen. You didn't have to, but you did. You can also use waza-waza to politely say something isn't necessary. It's different from sekkaku. Sekkaku is a rare opportunity. Waza-waza is unnecessary extra effort. Waza-waza, kuruma de mukae ni kite kurete arigatou gozaimashita. Thank you for going out of your way to pick me up. Waza-waza, tori ni konakute mo ashita de ii desu yo. You don't need to come all the way to get it. Tomorrow is fine. Waza-waza shows extra effort. Waza-waza shows a rare opportunity. One is kindness. One is opportunity.